In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily extract the unique ID or GUID of a SharePoint site using just your browser. This process is quick and straightforward, and the best part is that you won't need to use PowerShell or any additional software. We're going to be leveraging the built-in REST API URL that SharePoint offers to achieve our goal. This is an efficient way for anyone who might need this information for integration or administrative purposes. So let's dive right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and navigate to the SharePoint site for which you need the site ID. If you're unsure of the exact URL, it typically follows this format: https your tenant SharePoint com/sites your site name. Just make sure to replace your tenant and your site name with the appropriate values for your actual SharePoint environment. Navigating to this URL will bring you to your SharePoint site's homepage. Once you're on the site, we're going to modify the URL slightly. In the address bar at the end of the current URL, you'll want to append this specific string: /API site ID. This action doesn't require any additional installations or tools, just a simple URL alteration. So, for example, if your site URL is https your tenant SharePoint com sites your site name, it should now read https your tenant SharePoint com sites your site name API site ID. After you've added -API site ID to the end of your site URL, press Enter. Your browser will then take a moment to refresh and load a new page. What you're looking for is an XML or JSON output that displays a range of technical details about the site. Among these details, the one we are particularly interested in is labeled as DID and has a tag that looks like this. You will see a string of characters structured in the format of numbers and letters with dashes in between, something like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ABCD 1 2 3 4 F00 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 no AB. This sequence of characters is your site's unique ID, or GUID. It's a critical piece of information when dealing with integrations or any advanced SharePoint management tasks. Ensure you save this ID securely for future reference if needed. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and a short edit to your site's URL, you've obtained the guide without the need for any complex tools or scripting. Using this method can save you time and make managing your SharePoint environment much easier. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need to retrieve a site ID in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit our video series for more straightforward technological tips and tricks.